Today we will do LCM, lowest common multiple. Let me take an example. Common, we have to find the smallest common multiple of these two numbers. There are two ways of doing this. First of all, I'll write the multiples for 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Common multiples are 48, 24. So, smallest common multiple. There will be many multiples which will be common in both these numbers. However, the smallest is 24. So, LCM is 24. This is a simple method, but I'll give you a simpler method that is known as the division method. With this division method, you will write both the numbers here and you can see both are even numbers. So, let's divide them by 2 first. Divide 8 by 2 and divide 12 by 2. Always take these two numbers separately. Now again, these are even, again by 2. As you can see, now one is odd and one is even. So this is divisible by 2 but this is not. Now we will take them separately. First of all, I will take 2. Now 3 is only divisible by 3. When we come to this place, 1, 1, then we have completed the question. Division is ended. Now all these numbers are multiplied to come to LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. Again the answer is 24. LCM is 24 and this is the division method. I hope you understood this thing. Now we will do one more question. With the division method, find the LCM of 5 and 7. Whenever these do not have anything common, then you will multiply both the numbers. So I think 35 will be LCM here. Take these two numbers 5 and 7. 5 does not have and 7 do not have any common factor. So we will divide 5 by 5 first and then 7 by 7. 5 into 7. LCM is 35. Similarly, if we find the multiples for 5, it will come as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. For 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. These are common. The first numbers that come as common are LCM, lowest common multiples. So this is right. Now you should try more sums on this and you can also try 3 or 4 numbers for finding their LCM.